What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing some mods to the truck. And don't worry guys, there is going to be more Z content coming up soon, but this is just my focus right now. Like, I'm literally so excited to just keep on modding this truck. But in today's video we're going to be installing the center console. I picked it up from Facebook Market. Paid around $280. I might have paid a little bit too much, but I mean, I was looking on Facebook for a long time and I just couldn't find the right one for me. But this one is in very good condition. I mean, it has the little scuff marks and whatnot, but other than that, you guys could tell, like I said, it does have scuff marks and whatnot, but that's what you expect from, you know, used stuff. Like I said, they don't make these no more. And I also got the glove department and, you know, the bracket. But I'm super excited to install this on the single cap. I've seen many people install these, so it should look pretty good. Last night I did a kind of like a deep clean on the truck because I just have to have my stuff very clean. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, this is an 03 Z71 Chevy Silverado, and to me this truck is in very good condition for the year. A lot of these trucks are like super clapped out, and I'm lucky that I found this one. So with that being said, let's go ahead and install this center console. So before I start this video, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. It lets me know that you guys are enjoying this truck content, and it helps out the channel a lot more than what you guys think. So let's go ahead and rack up those likes. I am not a professional at what I do. Actually, I don't even know what I'm doing most of the time. I'm just kind of going with the flow and figuring things out. So this is not a how-to video, but I mean, we're gonna get shit done. So if you guys look right here, there's some bolts on all four corners, and I think there are 12 millimeters. So yeah, we're gonna be going ahead and removing that, and hopefully once everything is out of the truck, I'll go ahead and deep clean all this back space here, because I could kind of tell it's gonna be very dirty. So gotta keep the truck clean as possible. First things first is we're gonna be removing the seats, centerpiece, and the passenger seat over there, which requires 4 bolts on each side, which I think they're 12 millimeter. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And we're gonna be removing this whole bottom piece in order to fit the center console, disconnect some wires. But other than that, hopefully we don't run into problems. Might have to remove this piece right here, maybe not, so we'll figure it out as we go. I hope we don't run into problems, because I hate running into problems, because this shit makes the install go from an hour to like 3 hours. So let's go ahead and install this. Now that we have everything literally taken off, I don't think I'm gonna take that off just yet, but I'm for sure gonna vacuum because it's a mess. Now that everything is done here, we're gonna be taking off this piece that goes all the way over here, pretty much this whole face, and then we're gonna be taking off this bottom piece and also this bottom piece that connects all that. So let's go ahead and start taking everything apart. For the top piece, you kind of just pull on it and everything should just come off with clips. And in the bottom, same thing, but you just got one bolt here that I already took off, and then you got another one here, and you got a bunch down there, you guys could tell. So I mean, everything else is just clip on, should be pretty easy. So let's go ahead and start taking it apart. Damn, it looks so freaking naked. But yeah, we're gonna do the same thing over here on this side. Take all those bolts off and pretty much just pull this whole piece. This whole piece is connected into one, so we're gonna be taking that out next. So you are gonna want to install this bracket here, which kind of just goes into place like that. Some trucks have this, some trucks don't, but you will need to drill into here so this guy could go in. I don't know if you guys could tell, but inside there kind of just clicks in there. And you're gonna want to do your 2 bolts on the bottom here, and yeah, everything should go into place with the center console. Gonna remove these bolts here because I'm gonna need those for later. And the glove department should just kind of go into place. Kind of just clicks in, I guess. I'm gonna set you guys down here. Just like those angles though. So let's go ahead and click you guys in. Just like that. Boom. Like that. Alright, I'm gonna set you guys here because I'm gonna go ahead and bring up the big boy, the main piece of this video here, which is gonna be the center console. So let's go ahead and bring that boy in. Damn, this guy's heavy as shit. It's awkward to get up here. Oh shit. And I broke that fucking piece too. Actually, those pieces needed to come off anyway, so it's all good in the hood. So, no. So there you go, guys. It's looking pretty fun right now. So the only thing left is to add the main part up here, and it should be pretty much done already, besides putting on the seats. So let me go ahead and finish everything up, and then I'll show you guys how everything looks together. And just like that, guys, the whole install of the center console is done. Everything is bolted up, looking nice. Let me know what you guys think, guys. Do you guys like the seat, or do you guys like this center console? I personally love the center console. I mean, it just kind of like, everything is like pointed towards you, I guess, in a way. Like kind of like the Supras, the old Supras. everything is like pointed towards you, and that's like the vibe that I'm getting from the truck. Next up, for the interior, I am gonna get a double din flat screen, kind of should look pretty cool, and LEDs are coming as well for the inside. And I'm debating if I should paint this black just like the Z. I did it to the Z, came out pretty cool, but I'm debating if I should do this one, because I mean there's a lot more stuff. Like, yeah, I gotta paint this whole centerpiece here and that handle there. I'm probably gonna do it either way because it's dark here, and then I kind of want it dark on the top too, but we'll see. Probably like the only damage is this guy right here, pretty much, but nobody's gonna see. Damn, I'm in love. Check out that POV though. If you guys do own a Silverado, I recommend you guys get the center console, because it just looks way better in my opinion. It's definitely a must have mod right here. Got all my shit there. Yeah guys, let me know what you guys think. Damn, I look pretty sweaty, but with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you also subscribe, and peace.